Hi, so I found out about OBJ files a little while ago, and I just found them really interesting, and I thought it would be really like a fun challenge to try to handwrite an OBJ file, like handwrite the code for like all like the vertices and stuff for a 3D model file. So I started doing some playing around with it and some practice. And what I learned, what I figured out, if you've got like your three axes, the two on the ground are gonna be the X and the Z, and one going up is gonna be the Y. So when you write your vertice, it's three numbers, and it's gonna be your X, Y, and Z. So I think that how that's gonna work is if your vertice is like 1, 0, 1, and then like 1, 0, 0, and then like 0, 0, 1, your 3 points are gonna be on this plane. You're gonna have one at here and one at here and then one at here. So then your face is gonna be a flat triangle on the ground. Oh, I can't be blocking that. So your face can be a flat triangle on the ground, and then if you made another point that was like 0, 1, 0, then that point would be above the plane. And then if you made this is point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. So to make a prism that was this shape, a prism that was like made of this face and this face, and then like these faces, you would need to make faces that are faces would need to be 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. And then obviously 1, 2, 3. And that would result in a three-dimensional shape that looked like that. And that's what your shape would look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the code real quick and test it out. that worked. That worked. I made that shape. Now let's see if I can make something more complex. Alright, I'm gonna type this up and see how it works. That's pretty close. The problem is that these are parallel. So if I move 0.9 further down, I mean it's a star for sure. So if I move 0.9, vertex 9 from to like 1 point with the x to 0.75, then that still looks really weird. But if I move 7 and 6 closer to each other, no, actually, no, I think I'm fine with that for now. So now, to make it three-dimensional, and 10. So now I'm gonna try that out. See how it works. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh, because I forgot to make the 11th vertex, which is 1.5, 0.5, 1. And that is a three-dimensional star, if I have ever seen one. Hell yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I guess that's how you write a 3D model by hand. if you wanted to do that for some reason. Maybe drop in the comments if you want to see me make something more complicated. Thanks for watching.